spell success without you. PowerPlan Project presents
Your questions, our answers. When using your PowerPlan diet, how much weight will I expect to lose?
Well, firstly, the PowerPlan is not a diet. It's a lifestyle change, and a really easy to do lifestyle change, which I believe makes it unique. Using 17 habits, and you're not going on what you class as a diet. You're just changing your lifestyle using the 17 habits. So you would naturally, once you change your lifestyle or go on a diet, you're naturally going to lose a considerable weight in the first 2 to 3 weeks. So with the first 2 or 3 weeks, we'd expect you to lose between 3 and 7 pounds per week. Then what you find is that there is no end. If you change your lifestyle and you do it easily with the 17 habits, there is no need to stop them. So continued weight loss until you get to your actual targets would be expected is that you would lose weight around 2.63 pounds per week. Obviously, you're going to have good weeks and bad weeks. Generally, you will lose weight every single week, but some weeks you might only lose a pound or half a pound, but that will catch up very, very quickly. And there will be other weeks where you convince yourself is that you put weight on, and you do get quite a nice surprise when you do your weigh-in. So hopefully that has actually answered the question. So initially between 3 and 7 pounds a week, and then over time around 2.63 pounds per week.
If you have enjoyed this video, then please provide your support by liking this video and subscribing to this YouTube channel. If you are watching on Facebook, then please like and share this video with your family and friends. And as always, thank you for viewing.